Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, Seld. 432 new stars today. Seld lets you run stateful serverless applications on your own infrastructure, using SQLite databases per object and an S3 compatible bucket for coordination, removing vendor lock-in and per request costs associated with Cloudflare durable objects. It automatically shards your application by design. Each object is an isolated SQLite file, eliminating the contention and blast radius of shared databases, while idle objects hibernate to near zero resource usage. The system achieves distributed ownership without a consensus protocol by using atomic compare and swap on object storage, making it a uniquely lightweight alternative for building globally distributed persistent compute. Number 4, Ladybird. 48 new stars today. Most web browsers today are built atop engines controlled by large corporations, leaving developers with limited, truly independent alternatives for understanding and advancing web standards. Ladybird is a completely independent browser built from scratch with its own rendering engine, JavaScript engine, and network stack, giving developers a clean reference implementation free from Google, Apple, or Mozilla influence. Its architecture is technically distinct. Each tab runs in a sandboxed process. Image decoding and networking happen out of process to contain malicious content, and all core libraries, from WebAssembly to TLS, are custom-built rather than pulled from existing browser codebases, making it a valuable project to study or contribute to for anyone interested in browser internals and web platform innovation. Number 3, TradingAgents. 153 new stars today. This framework lets you build automated trading systems where multiple LLM-powered agents collaborate to analyze markets, debate strategies, and execute decisions, replacing brittle single-model pipelines with a structured, auditable, multi-agent workflow. It solves the challenge of turning unstructured financial data and news into actionable trading signals without requiring you to handcraft every rule or model. Technically, it stands out by combining LangGraph for agent orchestration with a pluggable LLM backend, a verified data access layer, and built-in backtesting, giving you a production-ready foundation instead of a toy prototype. Number 2, Skills. 481 new stars today. Building AI agents that interact with Google Cloud requires deep knowledge of its APIs, authentication, and service-specific quirks. This repository gives your agent that expertise out of the box. It solves the real problem of turning high-level tasks, like deploy a RAG pipeline on GKE, into executable steps without you having to write and maintain the integration code. The skills are modular, composable, and installable via a single CLI command, making it easy to mix and match capabilities for everything from infrastructure management to AI/ML workflows. Clone the repo to see how your agent can go from zero to production on Google Cloud in minutes. Number 1, PrimeAgent 2 483 new stars today. PrimeAgent is an open-source agent for coding workflows that autonomously handles long-running tasks, letting developers offload multi-step refactors and bug investigations to a background process. Its architecture combines a persistent Python REPL with recursive sub-agent calls and a continual harness that lets the agent refine its own working instructions across sessions. If you've hit the limits of single-shot AI coding tools, this gives you an agent that maintains state, runs in the background after you disconnect, and improves its behavior over time from evidence-backed updates.